Hey folks, I am Becky with Enduring Finances. Welcome to my channel. Today we are taking a look at all of the individual dividends that I earned for the month of March of 2024. So let's go ahead and jump into a broad view of how my portfolio performed overall. Alright, so looking at my portfolio, we can see that I had a fantastic month. We jumped up over 3% in market value with a gain of $1,035.56, bringing my portfolio value to $34,838.26. As far as the year overall, we are up over 5.2% with a gain of over $1,750. Really good job there. We've already accomplished my goal of my portfolio being valued over $34,000. So happy to see that. Let's go ahead and see how my strategy and reinvesting has gone into rebalancing my portfolio. So we can see the breakdown from last month. Real estate and utilities were really what I was going to focus on, and that's kind of what I did. Real estate, I got one share of ticker symbol O for $52.98, and then instead of investing in utilities, I decided to invest in telecommunication because it dropped down a little bit there, and I bought 8 shares of ticker symbol SIRI for $4.14 a piece, reinvesting a total of $86.10. And then based off of the market fluctuations and all of my reinvesting, this is what my current portfolio breakdown looks like. We're still low in real estate and utilities, but pretty much every sector is down below my target goal. And this is just a running number based off of my total portfolio value, so it's constantly fluctuating as all of the individual stocks values are increasing and decreasing throughout the day and minute by minute, essentially. But this is what we're looking at, so we'll probably go ahead and reinvest back into real estate and utilities this next month in April. So let's go ahead and take a look at how much total dividends that I earned. And we can see it was a pretty good month here. We ended up bringing in $80.59 total. We saw a huge month in January because we got that bonus dividend. So we are up over $306.05 total dividends this year. We should have another big month in April. I'm excited to see that. As far as quarter one, we saw that $306.05 total here. So not my highest quarter that I've had, but I mean, it's a good start there. I'm excited to see what this year is going to bring as far as dividends and moving forward with that. Let's go ahead and jump into the individual dividends that make up this $80.59. Alright, so dividend number 1 coming in on the 1st of March, ticker symbol ENB, which is Enbridge Incorporated, for $2.29. I own 4 shares of this stock, and this is a Canadian company, so we are seeing that tax come out, and we are up exactly 10% in this position for a gain of a whopping $13.16. Dividend number 2 coming in again on the 1st of March is ticker symbol PFE, which is Pfizer Incorporated, for $1.68. I own 4 shares of the stock, and we are down just over 20% in this position for a loss of about $28. But this company did go ahead and increase their dividend by 1 cent from 41 cents a share to 42 cents a share. Dividend number 3 coming in on the 1st of March is ticker symbol PSX, which is Phillips 66, for $3.15. I own 3 shares of the stock, and we are up over 160% in this position for a gain of $302.19. Woo! So it is doing really well there. Dividend number 4 coming in again on the 1st of March is ticker symbol V, which is Visa Incorporated. We earned $1.56 from the 3 shares that I own, and we are up over 37.3% in this position for a gain of over $227. And this is a bigger company in my portfolio, coming in at 2.4% of my overall portfolio value. And based off of the last annual analysis I did in my portfolio, the average company in my portfolio is valued at 1 to 1.5% only. So anything above 1% is really good. But that's that. Dividend number 5 coming in on the 5th of March is ticker symbol J&J, which is Johnson & Johnson, for $1.19. We own 1 share, and we are up exactly $9.27 in that share. Dividend number 6 coming in on the 6th of March is ticker symbol BNDX, which is the Vanguard Total International Bond ETF. We earned 26 cents from the 3 shares that we own, and we are down about 3.8% in this position. Not too bad there. Dividend number 7 coming in on the 6th of March is ticker symbol SO, which is Southern Company, one of my favorite utilities company. We earned $10.50 from the 15 shares that we continue to hold on to, and we are up over $165.46 in this position. And this makes up 3.09% of my overall portfolio because it is one of my favorite companies. Dividend number 8 coming in on the 7th of March is ticker symbol AMGN for $2.25. I have 1 share of the stock, and we are up exactly 6.2% for a gain of just shy of $40. And this company went ahead and increased their dividend from $2.13 a share to $2.25. So, we'll take it. Dividend number 9 coming on the 11th of March, ticker symbol CMI, which is Cummins, for $1.68. I have 1 share of the stock, and we are up close to $81 in this position for a gain of just shy of 38% overall. Dividend number 10 coming in again on the 11th of March, ticker symbol CVX, which is Chevron Corporation, for $1.63. I have 1 share of this stock, and we are up just shy of 75% gain in this position. And they went ahead and did a large increase in their dividend from $1.51 a share to $1.63 a share, so a 12-cent increase in their dividend payout, and I am happy to see that. Dividend number 11 coming on the 11th of March is ticker symbol LYB for $1.25. I own 1 share, and we are up a whopping 48.2% in this position. Dividend number 12 coming in on the 14th of March is ticker symbol CNP, which is Centerpoint Energy, for $5.80. I own 29 shares of the stock, and we are up over $210 in this position, and it makes up about 2.37% of my entire portfolio. Dividend number 13 coming in on the 14th of March is ticker symbol MSFT, which is Microsoft, for 75 cents. I own 1 share, and we are up exactly 85% in this position. Dividend number 14 coming in on the 15th of March is ticker symbol FLO, which is Flowers Food Incorporated, for $1.15. I own 5 shares of the stock, and we are down exactly $3.75 in this position, so not too shabby there. Dividend number 15 coming in on the 15th of March is ticker symbol KEY, KEY, which is the Key Corporation New, for $3.08. I own 15 shares of this stock, and we are up over $52 in this position. Dividend number 16 coming in again on the 15th of March is ticker symbol NEE, which is Nextra Energy, for $3.61. I own 7 shares of the stock, and we are down almost 15% in this company for a loss of just shy of $79. But they did go ahead and increase their dividend a fraction of a couple of pennies, from 46 7/10 of a penny to 51.5 cents a share, so slight increase there. I will take it gladly. Dividend number 17 coming in on the 15th of March is ticker symbol O, which is Realty Income Corporation, one of our monthly payers. We earn $2.31 from the 10 shares that I own, and we are down 12.7% with a loss of just shy of $79. Dividend number 18 coming in as the last dividend for the 15th of March is ticker symbol STAG for 49 cents. We own 4 shares of the stock, and we are up exactly 6.3% for a gain of just over $9 in this position. Dividend number 19 coming on the 18th of March is ticker symbol DUK, which is Duke Energy Corporation, for $2.05. I own 2 shares of the stock, and we are up almost 11.5% in this position. Dividend number 20 coming on the 19th of March is ticker symbol UNH, which is United Health Group Incorporated, for $5.64. We own 3 shares of the stock, and this stock is up way close to 52.5% for a gain of just shy of $510. And this is one of the biggest companies in my portfolio, coming in at 4.26% of my total portfolio, valued at over $34,000. So it is a big cookie in there. Dividend number 21 coming in on the 20th of March is ticker symbol D, which is Dominion Energy, for $2.67. I own 4 shares of the stock, and we are down about $44 in this position. Dividend number 22 coming in on the 21st of March is ticker symbol HD, which is Home Depot, for $2.25. I own one share of this stock, and we are up over $97.50 in this position. And they went ahead and increased their dividend from $2.09 a share to $2.25 a share, so a pretty decent increase there. Dividend number 23 coming in on the 25th of March is ticker symbol EFC, which is Ellington Financial Incorporated, for $8.25. We own 55 shares of the stock, and we are down 34.9% in this position for a loss of just shy of $350. Dividend number 24 coming in on the 25th of March is ticker symbol SU, which is Suncor Energy Incorporated, for $5.12. We own 15 shares of the stock, and we are up over $321 for a gain of just shy of 138% overall. So a really good job there. And this is a Canadian company, so we are seeing that 15% tax come out, courtesy of my brokerage account Ally. Dividend number 25 coming in again on the 28th of March is ticker symbol CCI, which is Crown Castle, for $6.26. We own 4 shares of this stock, and we are down over $125 for a loss of just over 23% in this position. And then dividend number 26, the last dividend for the month, coming in again on the 28th of March is ticker symbol TROW. We earned $3.72 from the 3 shares that I own. We are down just shy of 11% overall as market loss, but they did increase the dividend by 2 cents from $1.22 a share to $1.24 a share. So that wraps up all of the individual dividends that I earned for the month of March, all 26 of them. And this is part of the reason why my dividend overall yield is a little bit lower this month, because Easter came in right at the end of March instead of typically in April, and the market was closed. And so some of those monthly dividend earners and some of the traditional ones that I earn every quarter on the third month didn't make it in. And so we're going to see a larger payout next month in April, because those are going to be trickling in the very beginning of the month. But that wraps up all the 26 dividends that I earned. Let's go ahead and jump over and see how this impacts my favorite part of this breakdown, the statistics of how my portfolio is going on a micro level. So let's jump into it. Alright, so as far as March goes, we're seeing a drop in my dividend yield. This is because we are seeing those companies pay less dividends, some of them, and some of them are increasing. And there's always a trickle-down effect of when the information gets applied to my spreadsheets, so that could be playing a factor into it. And it's all based on the market value of my portfolio. So if the portfolio is valued way higher than it was, my dividend yield is technically going to go down, which is okay. We're just going to keep reinvesting money and following this guideline and trying to stay close to 4%. We are now looking at $1,252.70 in that per year dividend yield. And so that is higher than last month as well, even though the percentage yield is down. Per month, that would be $104.39. Per week, that would be $24.09. Per day, we would be making $3.43 in passive dividend income with very minimum work on that. So a slight increase from last month as well. And then per hour, that would be 14 3/10 cents, still at 2/10 of a penny per minute. And then if we were to compare our dividend earnings to an average 40-hour work week, we'd make $60 and 2/10 cents per hour based off of our dividend earnings. So that's where we're looking at right now. Let's go ahead and see how this plays a factor into my goals, which is part of that reason I want to earn 4% annually from my dividend portfolio. So we can see the current value of my portfolio is $34,838, well above my goal of $34,000. So we can mark that off here. So far, we've earned $306.05. I want to earn $1,400 in dividends for the year. So we still are shy about $1,100 per month. We're seeing that $104.39. So we're just under that $105 a month average. We want to hit $110. And then per day, we want to hit $3.60, but we are well below that $3.45. So those are the 2 goals that we have for the end of the year. And we'll see how the overall value of my portfolio goes as far as up and down. We're probably going to see it dip and go back and It's good to know that we at least hit that 34,000 because that's the first time we've hit it. But long-term goals, we want to hit $600,000-ish, earning about 4% on dividend yield, which would be about $2,000 a month or $65.75 a day. But that is going to wrap up my overall portfolio and dividend breakdown for the month of March, quarter number 1 of 2024. And just, yeah, I think it's going to be a good year. I'm happy to see good months back to back, and that we've already, achieved our goal of $34,000 portfolio value. Hopefully we can maintain that and continue to see that grow and just knock it out of the park. So I'm going to wrap things up here. Hopefully you guys also had a fantastic month in the stock market and with your own investing. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.